This system works exceptionally well for standardized tests, professional certifications, and undergraduate and graduate college admission exams. Also, this can be used in any personalized exam from your institute or university. This system is designed backward. First, we face the question with zero knowledge, and based on the sensation experienced, we dissect into the topics and the pace of execution. Then we iterate again, and so on. It's effective, believe it. In the course material, you can access the template that we will follow from now on. We invite you to pause the video, watch the template, and come back again. Feel free to download and edit it at your convenience, or make it from zero, keeping the format. In any case, we will explain to you how on the way. In general, this template is made up of 3 tabs. Log. Here, you will keep all the traceability of the questions asked by date, results, and different segmentation types. More on this later. Dashboard. In this section, all the visualization data of the log tab is condensed, which allows you to make decisions according to the insights you find. Curve. Finally, you will learn about the forgetting curve. This is an essential tool to validate how much of what you've studied has actually remained in memory. By understanding the forgetting curve, you can identify the optimal time to review the material to ensure long-term retention. In the following lessons, we will go deeper into each tab with practical exams and the step-by-step of the workflow.